So you're wondering how to upload a voice message on the WhatsApp status. Well, worry not, because you've come to the right place. Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. First, we're going to have to open the WhatsApp application. And on the nav bar that appears above, you'll see the updates. You can see at the bottom right, above the camera icon, there's a pencil-like icon. You click on it. After you've clicked on it, then at the bottom right, you'll see a microphone appear. Then you keep on pressing the mic button. And if you want to cancel the audio, then you simply slide to cancel. If you want to proceed, you simply click and then release. The countdown starts from 30 seconds, meaning that you can only post up to 30 seconds long voice memo. If you're done with the voice, or if you're satisfied with the voice message you're about to post, you simply go to the bottom right corner and see the arrow icon. You press on it and then it'll be posted. However, if you want to discard it, at the top left corner, you'll see the cross sign. You press on it and enter discard. And that's it. I hope this helps. And now you know how to upload voice message on the WhatsApp status.